All right. So the kids and I are back. We have. You can tell me what we have, guys. What do we have?
Rocket ship. We have balloons and some scissors and some duct tape and some straws in our hand.
Yep, and we have some yarn. And we also have some clips. Don't bend your straw because you don't want to break it, okay? So I'm going to blow the balloons up for the kids because they normally have a hard time blowing up the balloons. So what we're going to do is I'm going to blow up the balloons. We're going to add this little clip to it to keep the air.
And then add our straws?
Nope. Yes.
Yarn.
We're going to add the
Straws
straw.
and then yarn.
Nope, we're going to add the yarn, but we have to weave the yarn through the straw, okay? So we have to push the yarn through the straw because what's going to happen is once we let the air out of the balloon is going to fly across, but the balloon will be attached to this and it will slide on the yarn and we will have a race, okay? To see which balloon is the fastest. So we're going to cut our yarn to really, really long pieces.
Who's gonna have the fastest one?
I don't know.
I think you.
You think your brother's going to have the fastest?
Yeah, since he's the fastest in the school. Watch, but I don't like him fast because I don't like to.
You're practicing your speed, huh? All right, let's do this. Avery, take this piece of yarn all the way until it's really straight.
Rainbow.
Until it's straight. Keep going. Now, Austin, go roll with her all the way to the edge. And stop by Avery. Go that way. Roll it out. Make sure they're even. Hold on to it. Get close to your brother. Get close. Hey, Austin, get close to her. Good. A little more, Austin. A little more. A little more. Good. Freeze. Don't pull, okay? It's fine. You've already been go out a little more. So we have our yarn, okay? Austin, here's your yarn. Avery, put your yarn through your straw. Let me give you a piece of tape first. So I'm going to add a piece of tape to the edge of your yarn. It'll help it weave through better.
And will the straws make the air go faster?
No. Well, the straws will help it glide faster and on a straight path.
But then how is it gonna roll?
It's not going to roll. It's going to like shoot like a rocket.
Up in the air?
No, not on your string. Remember, it's going to be on a string.
Yeah. It's gonna like go like this.
Don't do that with your string either because we don't want it to get all tangled up. So hold it at the end. Hold it at the end. Hold it at the end. Don't tangle it all up. All right, give me your string, Avery.
Okay, let me do it.
No, this piece right here. Sit down in your chair.
There's a fly in the house.
Those fellas
We
gonna-
left the door open whenever we were eating.
Mm-hmm.
So that next was the kitchen from coming in.
If not, you leave it open. Can you stop doing that? You're gonna hurt yourself.
We have one like Steven does.
There you go. Weave it through. Push your straw through, okay? Push your string through your straw. You have to hold it with two hands. Austin, give me yours. Give me your yarn. Here, keep your straw. You can have your straw. I just need your yarn. Alright. Y'all see you trying to get that yarn through? I'm gonna let them figure this one out themselves. I wonder if you can see all.
I know how to do it because I've always been
teaser. Good hand-eye coordination, pinch control activity.
I'm trying to push it down so I can grab
You'll
the
get it.
part.
You'll get it. You'll figure it out.
I've had to do this before whenever I was moving up to do like this mine in my backyard, and I built it on my own without any instructions or but I had a proper and even when we started going on the zip line, he fell, and she was fine. He laughed. I got it through it.
Already? Good job, Austin.
I'm the only one that's still not through since it's hard
Hold
for
up.
me.
Hold your string like this. And
How
look.
far do you have to get it through?
Drop it in. Drop it in. Now I'm gonna let you try. Here. Hold your straw. Hold your string at the top. Now let it fall straight through.
First, put it
You
in.
can do it.
How far do we
First put it in. Now get your hands in the right spot. Put your hands up here by the blue and green. Put it right here by the blue and green. You'll have a little bit more control. Alright, now hold your straw down. Now let it go straight through. Now slide your hand to the green. Bring your hand by the green. Look, Avery. It came out. Avery, it's out. It's out already.
Yay!
Pull it through. Pull it through from this way and pull it through on the blue side. Good. Perfect. Now, I'm going to blow up your balloons, and we have to attach your balloons to
And then you're gonna make
the straw. So, do you have a particular color that you want?
I want blue. I want blue. I want pink.
Pink? Okay.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if there's a blue one.
like light pink. Oh, there's.
Here's okay. Let's put these in.
I saw one.
Now-
Right came out.
I have to use all of my adult air. Oh, I should have bought my air pump. I guess it must have lost its way from the balloon box. It wasn't a balloon box. So I'm gonna stretch the balloons out.
To make them stretchier, so
To
you
make
can
them-
blow them up.
Yes.
Whoa. Oh, I've seen these before. Yeah, me too. Can we? Can I ask?
Woo!
Is that mine?
Yes, this is the pink one. You asked for pink, right?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna twist the end. Okay, Avery. Don't move the clip. If you move the clip, the air comes out. The air comes out. I have to blow it again. If I have to blow it again, oh, whoa! If I have to blow it again, don't move it. Let it sit there, Avery. Let it sit.
I'm looking at it right now. I'm just gonna sit on it. Why do you? I'll get you some water, Mr. Shout.
Watch face.
Well, you look tired.
Woo!
You look
Thanks, Avery. Such great hospitality.
tired.
Make sure they're about the same length.
I'll get you
Try to match the clip with the balloon color. And then I'm gonna clamp that.
I'm not
Now,
gonna touch it.
we're taping the balloon to the straw, but we need to find locations of where this race is gonna take place. We'll be back. All right.
All this
So
stuff,
we found our spot.
and we've got all this
We're
stuff
connected to the light fixtures,
connected.
not the wall. You don't want to rip the tape, the paint off the wall. Yep.
And then we add tape to connect them on the wall. And Austin is holding the little strings right there
Mhm. And now we're gonna attach the balloon to
to the
the
little straws.
straws. Yes.
And always
Avery, get the tape.
make them go further back.
You can put one down, Austin. Wait, walk up. Walk up to me. Walk up to me all the way, all the way, all the way. Now let them fall on the floor. Good. Let the string fall too. Okay, Avery. Now, just a little bit, not too much.
Okay. Yeah, we have that tape here. Yeah, we have that tape.
So I hope y'all can see what we're doing. I'm gonna get Avery's pink balloon. And I'm gonna make sure the little clip is facing her because this is her release valve. Okay, so I'm gonna take the balloon.
She's gonna tape it on the straw, and then once Austin's get on there, we're gonna start the race.
Yes, so I'm gonna tape it from the bottom.
And
Make sure that the straw is in between the tape and the balloon. And then I'm gonna slide it down. That one's set. Okay. Let's see. What's going? Maybe she's trying to leave one of the
So one time our little cousin made beer that Ada made, and our grandma got that, and she got that, and it went everywhere.
Really?
Yeah. He tried to make it, but he flew the beer backwards, and it fell on the floor, and it exploded like a volcano, and I was trying not to laugh.
Oh my gosh. So you didn't get a chance to see that.
So that.
Right here. Let me put the camera here in the center. Let's see the best.
Our grandma said to not.
Good. All right. So now it's time for the race. Austin, you remember hers? Okay. So wait. Nope. Hold this. Wait. You're gonna hold the string with your right hand, and you're gonna release the clip.
The thing about mine is, I hold my hand.
Austin, you can't pull it, Papa.
I hold my hand with my right hand.
Okay. Hold the string with your left, and hold the clip with your right. Don't open it yet. Okay. Austin, careful. Don't pull. Remember I told you you can't pull it. Come closer. There, not you, Avery. Stay where you are, right there. Not so far. Step up. Step up right there, Avery. Austin, stay where you are. Okay. Now. Okay. So hold your string with your left hand. Hold your string with your left hand. And you're gonna release your right hand. Avery, Austin, why are you so far back? Step up a little. You don't want to pull it out the wall. You can step back some, but not so far where it's pulling too hard. Back up a little bit more.
Like me?
Back up a little bit more. Austin, you can back up a little more. Avery, back up a little more. Right there. It's too tight, Austin. You're going to pull it out the wall. Step up a little bit. All right, ready? Set. You got to hold the string, Avery. You got to hold it.
I'm so ready. I'm already ready.
All right. All right, you ready? Hold your string, Avery. Don't let it go. Now, when I say go, you're going to pinch that and open it, okay? Ready, set, go.
I wasn't ready.
You got to pinch it.
I wasn't ready though.
That's all right. Ready, set, go.
Mine was the winner.
All right, let's do them again. We'll do them again.
Yay!
All right.
Are we gonna do on the same straw? Oh, we're gonna roll it up. Okay, let me get my pink balloon again.
Get your clip. Your pink balloon is here, Avery. Go. Let it go, Avery. Austin wins this time.
We both won one time.